William Osman challenged me to an egg drop challenge. I accept. So, what is my plan and what is an egg drop? An egg drop challenge is when someone builds a contraption to keep an egg protected from a fall from a certain height. So my plan is to build a 3D printed shell out of a special material called TPU. It's a squishy type 3D printed filament that is really good for shock absorption and stuff like that. So, I'll 3D print like a shell for the egg. There'll be an inner shell for the payload and an outer shell. And between that, I'll have some stems connecting it. So when it lands, those stems can take the shock. Along with that, I had the idea to put a balloon around the print and fill it with water. So that could take the initial first shock, and then anything else will transfer through those beams in between the second and first shell. The balloon would pop under stress. They're not good under stress. So I saw a video a while back on the internet of this guy stretching a funny noodle glove, and they have an unreasonably strong tensile strength from what I saw in that video. So instead of using balloon, I'm gonna try and use that. For this competition, we're allowed to 3D print, so I don't want to hear a damn thing in my comment section about that. And second of all, it has to be under $5. That's about it. There's no other really restrictions or kind of loose-ended competition. I went to my local Target and bought the glove and a envelope I saw for 79 cents. I think I was gonna try and use the bubble wrap to inline the interior of the inner shell, but that didn't work. Here's the CAD model, and here is a physical thing. Oh, it's slimy. Come on. So it is able to. That is so gross. What the So it is able to stretch around like I've seen in videos. I can't get it on. Oh my god! No! Run! I may have got it. No! Oh, it was so close. That's like $3 though. So every attempt I tried to put the glove over the egg contraption, it ripped. And I don't know if this is because they're cheap or what, but so I had to go with plan B, using an actual glove, and it still fit with the joke / idea. It was an actual idea. It wasn't just a joke. All right, so we have the 3D print, the egg, rubber. We'll do 1 drop of that, 1 drop of all this inside this glove of water to represent what we were originally trying to do, and we'll do 1 drop with just the egg and the rubber. So I actually found out I had 1 rubber thing left hidden behind, so we took that there with us. All right, we have our egg. 3, 2, 1.
Oh no! It didn't! No!
No! My design! Okay. Attempt 2. Your egg. Up. Up. All empty. 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
You know what? The water sounds like it might be.
It did not survive.
This is our remains of my beautiful invention. Even though the invention failed, I thought it was a roughly good design. I thought the eggshell came out pretty well. I watched it, so whoever has the most funniest comment, in my opinion, can win the disgusting remains of the egg protector. The squishy egg, and it's squishy. And I'll mail it to you in one of those Target packages. And then to a random person in the comments. Or most, I don't know, maybe the most liked comment. I'll send you these like 3D printed pillar support scraps. Because I don't want them. Anyways, yeah, that's pretty much the whole video. Maybe I'll win the competition, maybe I won't. I don't know. It was an attempt. I had fun. I thought it was cool. Yeah, there's not much else to say to that. I think this is my first long upload. Will technically be the first on the channel, so let me know your feedback in the comments. Yeah, and maybe hit that free red box because it's free. Yeah, I'm cringy. Yeah, whatever. All right, goodbye.
Okay.
It survived that though.